What's up guys, it's ADB, and today we will see. In some of my previous video you may have seen that I have been in a visit to Zagreb, in the Batskome Express, Croatian Railroad Museum, or just running along Zagreb in tramways. Today we will see what did I manage to get. So let's start. First one is this locomotive BR50 from Italeri. This is a build-up kit, such as you may have seen my Revell Big Boy build-up. So this will be the same one. Another one, I got some magazines, some books. I got this big book about Alpha Railroad. There is two things that I really like. The first one is this SŽ 664, or in Croatia it is 2064 diesel electric locomotive. And this Italian locomotive E6366. In Croatia this was a 1061, which is decommissioned and located in Rijeka in a roundhouse. Also, I got a whole bunch of posters. Some magazines, Fleischmann, Rocco, I also managed to get these posting stamps, which are a limited edition by Croatian Post, or Hrvatska Pošta. We may see here this JŽ 642 or HŽ 2041. This is 661 or 2061, which is decommissioned also. And this is JŽ 732 or HŽ 2132 with JŽ 734 or HŽ 2133, also decommissioned locomotive. Also, I managed, this is a scratch build-up of this. This is a wooden water tower. I mean, it's not the best build-up, but it will serve the purpose. Next one, I got this non-powered Alco PA or FA. This is an electric locomotive made by Mechanotechnica. This little caboose, I'm a big fan of Santa Fe Railroad. And these two Rocco rail cars. I don't know, these rail cars are mainly for transporting of coal. So, well, that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more info about ADB Railroader YouTube channel.